Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and today we discuss which interior would be more practical, with leather or fabric seats. And let's begin with uncomfortable temperatures, whether it is a cold or hot climate. Of course, here you would get much more comfort with fabric seats, because they are more breathable and not so hot or cold when you enter the car. In hot climate, you would get an advantage just buying a light color leather seats. However, you should always keep in mind that they should be breathable, so better go for perforated leather. With cold winters, almost nothing can help you with your leather interior. Also because it takes much more time to warm up the car than cool it down. However, if you want a premium interior that is suitable and quite comfortable in wintertime, then you can go for Alcantara upholstery. But as a result of extreme temperature resistant, 1 point goes to fabric interiors. Okay, but what about dirt resistance? So from the very beginning, it seems that leather seats are uncompetitive here. And it is partly true, especially when you enjoy dining in your car or you have pets and kids. When on a leather seat you just need to clean it with a wet towel, on the fabric seat you would need to use some chemicals to remove stains. So for families with kids and pets, it is always better to go for leather interior, right? Not really. The thing is that almost any fabric seat can be properly cleaned to a very good condition, and it doesn't work like that with leather. If the leather is in a bad condition, it is very hard, at least much harder than with fabric, to restore it, and sometimes it is even impossible. And a good quality works on upholstery of your car, the full interior can easily cost more than $2,000. So your main goal with your fancy leather interior would be to keep it in a good condition. And to do it, you need to apply a leather conditioner at least on the monthly basis. And before it, you need to clean leather properly. And if you are a busy parent with kids and pets, let's be honest, the last thing you would care about is your car seats. And also you should keep in mind that if you live in a hot climate like here in Emirates, you always risk when you leave your car under the sun. Okay, but what material would last longer? So if we talk about good quality fabric seats, they would usually last until the mileage of about 300,000–400,000 kilometers without any serious problems. And on leather seats you would usually find the first crack on the mileage about 150–200,000 kilometers. And that we are talking only about high quality leather seats. Maybe imitation of leather, but a good quality. Because on some models you can face first problems with leather seats on the mileage much less than 100,000 kilometers. So basically the leather interior would be a good option when you are more interested in premium material than practical one. Also nowadays it is extremely hard to find a car with a genuine leather interior, because even on premium cars like BMWs or Mercedes, they would have it as an option, and quite expensive option. For example, for the new BMW 3 Series on the US market, you would pay for genuine leather about $4,000. The option itself is only $1,500. However, you cannot get it without the premium package.
This is all wrong.
But if you have a choice between genuine leather and imitation, I would recommend you to go for genuine one, even paying a little bit more. Okay, maybe much more, as we just saw on this example with BMW 3 Series, because this is 10% of the price of a new car, for just a normal leather. But genuine leather interior would bring you much more comfort and joy. It is much softer and better in everything. But on the most mass market cars you would get only the choice between the leather imitation and fabric. And here I have a conclusion. If you are going to buy a practical daily driver, then I would for sure go for fabric interior. However, there is a big problem with it, because as for Japanese or Korean cars, you usually cannot get a full option car without this imitation leather interior. But yes, the life is not fair. So you should make a choice yourself, or maybe the good option here is to buy a good European brand where you can choose everything you want. And if you are ready to really care about fascinating car, then go for genuine leather. I guess in 10-20 years they are going to ban all genuine leather interiors. However, then we're going to produce more oil to make car seats.
How dare you!
Like, subscribe and comment below please what do you think about fabric and leather interiors, what would you choose and what do you drive. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well. Seriously guys, can we just stop canceling and discontinuing everything exciting in this world?